Join us for an exclusive property tour designed especially for our wonderful community members. Party popper. Calendar, date, insert date, 3 o'clock, time, insert time, round pushpin, location, insert property address, key, explore the highlights. Guided tour of our stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom property, house. Q&A session with our expert real estate agents, speech bubble. Insights into the neighborhood and its amenities, deciduous tree. Refreshments and light snacks provided, sandwich, coffee. This is your chance to step inside and envision life in this beautiful home. Whether you're in the market for a new residence or just curious about the local real estate scene, this tour is a must-attend event. Spaces are limited, so be sure to RSVP at contact information to secure your spot. We can't wait to welcome you and showcase the potential of your future dream home. #community event, #property tour, #real estate, #new home, house with garden, sparkles.